In lesson 118, we're going to look at how to solve for what is called the determinant. And I'll show you how you can use this kind of in a more geometric way in a second. But first of all, let's go over how to solve for the determinant. Now, let's look at determinant and just a matrix first. The formula for finding determinant, and we just use a variable, we'll call it A, is you take x of 1 times y of 2. So for example, if I was solving for this matrix, I would take the 6, this is x of 1, and this is y of 2. So 6 times 2. Or this is our x, this is our y. Then I take x of 2 times y of 3, so 9 times 1 plus 9 times 1. And it keeps going depending on the size of the matrix. Since there's no y of 4, I go from x of 3 back to y of 1. Since I kind of ran out of room, I go back to the first one. Then you subtract y of 1 times x of 2, y of 2 times x of 3, and then y of 3 times x of 1. And now I can solve. So 12 plus 9 plus 3 minus 9 minus 6 minus 6. And then I solve to get my determinant. So 12 plus 9, 21, 24, minus 9 is 15, minus 12, so determinant is 3. And that's all you do for the math. So that's how you find it. Now let's look at if we're solving in a graph, or for area of a polygon. Okay? Okay, so say we're finding the area of a polygon on a coordinate grid. Okay? So in example 2, it gives us the different coordinates. We got 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 2, negative 2, 0, and 3, negative 3, 2. So if I graph that real quick, what my polygon would look like is negative 3, 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, negative 2, 0, and 1, negative 2. Okay, so there's my polygon. So what this formula here is going to help us do is find the area of a polygon on a coordinate grid. Now it changes slightly in the fact that what we will do is the area A equals the absolute value of 1/2 times the determinant. The absolute value of 1/2 times the determinant. And remember, determinant is just all of this. Then we'll just multiply it by 1/2 and make sure it's positive because you can't have a negative area. So, same formula, x of 1. Okay, let me put this in matrix form. 0, 2, 1, 1, 1, negative 2. Okay, now it's in matrix form. You're going to take x of 1 times y of 2. X of 2 times y of 3, x of 3 times y of 4, x 4, run out of room, okay, plus x of 5, back to the y of 1. Now I start doing my subtraction with my y since I ran out of x's, so y of 1 times x of 2 minus y of 2 times x of 3 minus y of 4, or y of 3 times x of 4, and then last one, let's see, 2 and 0. Okay, so I know this looks like a lot, but the math is really simple if you just understand this part of it. So once I start solving, I get 0, that's a negative 2, plus 0, that'd be a negative 4, minus 6, minus 2, minus 1, there's 3 negatives, so minus 4, those cancel, So negative 2 minus 4, negative 6, negative 12, negative 14, 15, negative 19. So my determinant is negative 19. That's not my area. Remember, the area formula, the area is 1/2, or absolute value of 1/2 times the determinant. So I take my determinant that I have of negative 19. So my area equals 1/2 times negative 19 absolute value, which would end up being 19 over 2. So that is my area. And that's how you do solve for area of a polygon using the determinant.